Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to import the Miami demo. Before importing the demo, I will need to activate the theme. Here I will need to add the license code. I added my license code and now I will press check license. My theme is now active. I will refresh. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities, and for those icons to be imported along with the demo import, you will need to install the SVG support plugin. I have it already installed. This is the plugin, and you will need to set it to apply only from admin. Once the theme is active and the SVG support plugin is installed, you can proceed with the demo import. Here you have all available demos. I will look for the Miami demo. This is the one. I will press import demo, continue and import. The import process might take a few minutes. The demo import was successful. Now I will go to front end and show the steps that you need to take after the demo import. I am now on the home page. The first thing that you will need to manually adjust is the search form. In Miami demo, the search on header was created with the property search form builder for Elementor, and after the demo import you might have missing tabs, and this happens because on import the categories are set with different IDs. To select the tabs for the search, I will need to edit the home page with Elementor. I will edit the search shortcode. Here you will see that the tab section is enabled. The tab type is set correctly. You will only need to select the missing tabs. I will select rentals and sales. I will save the change I made and refresh the page. Now I will go to form fields. Here you will have the fields already imported. For each tab, you will only need to select the tab for which the field will show. The search form is showing as the official demo. Next, you will need to set the display category shortcode. Here you will need to add valid categories for each element and manually upload an image for each category. The same will need to be done for the featured category section. I will show the steps that you need to take. I will go back to Elementor editor. I will select this section, and here I will need to add the missing categories. I will save the change I made. I will scroll down to the featured category section. Here we use VP Residence Grids shortcode, and for this we will only need to manually upload images for each category used. I will now add the images for the categories. I will go to admin, properties. Here you will find the property categories. So I will start adding the images. I will go to first categories. I will edit one of the categories used in the shortcode. I will press upload image. I will select an image from my device. I will press insert into post and press update. The same steps will need to be done for each category used in the shortcode. I will show another example. I will press upload image, select an image from my device, insert into post and update. Since the steps are the same for all categories, I will add the images of the record and show the final result. I have added all images. Now both sections are showing as the official demo. The home page setup is now complete. Next you will need to go to theme options Here you will be able to replace the demo settings with your own. You will need to set the map system that you want to use. You can leave selected OpenStreet or select Google Maps. If Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the site. Also in search, you have the theme search settings. Here you will be able to set the display options, and here you will be able to set the theme advanced search form. Since by default type 6 will be selected, you will need to select the categories that will show as tabs, as the settings here will apply for half map lists and other pages that use theme search instead of the search form built with Elementor. Once you checked theme options, you will need to set permalinks. You will need to go to settings, permalinks, and set them to post name. You will need to save the change, and the demo setup is complete. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.